Hey everybody, I'm Andrew from EMP Shield, and today Patrick and I are going to be installing our device into a vehicle from the Coffee County Sheriff's Department. Thanks for watching. The first step to installing the EMP Shield is to find a spot inside your engine compartment that you will place the device. The shield comes with industrial strength hook and loop fasteners, so you will need to clean that area thoroughly. Place the EMP shield in the clean location and press and hold the shield in place. Be sure to place the EMP shield in a location where you'll be able to see the green light. After measuring how much cable you will need to reach the positive terminal on the battery, wrap any excess cable and use small zip ties to keep the excess wire secured. Next, loosen and remove the nut from the positive terminal, as this is where the red wire will connect. Often, a battery will show red or a plus sign to indicate where the positive terminal is. Place the connector of the red wire on the positive terminal and tighten the nut to keep the wires in place. This is how it should look if you've properly installed the positive wire. Next, we will install the ground wire, which is the green wire. Install this wire to any piece of metal inside the engine compartment that attaches to the chassis of the vehicle. This wire installs in a similar fashion to the positive wire, as you'll loosen a nut, place the wire in the correct location, and then tighten the nut securely. The last step of this installation is to install the negative wire, which is the black wire. This wire will go on the negative side of the battery, which often has the minus sign as its symbol. To install this wire will be very similar to the positive wire. You'll loosen the nut, place the connector down, and then tighten the nut firmly. This is how this police vehicle's final installation looks with the positive, negative, and ground wire. If everything's been installed correctly, you'll be able to see the green light on the device, which means that the device is actively protecting your vehicle. To learn more about our EMP protection devices for your home, vehicle, solar system, generator, and ham radio systems, ask us any questions you may have, read about EMP protection in our EMP library, to check out articles about EMP protection, or to just read the reviews that other people have written about our devices, go to empshield.com. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.